Genesis GV70 is a standout family SUV in a competitive market segment. It offers exceptional quality, on par with established German rivals and rivaling Lexus in terms of quality. The GV70 boasts a distinctive design, spacious interior, and a generous standard equipment list, making it a compelling choice among premium SUVs in its price range. While the absence of hybrid options may limit its sales, the introduction of the Electrified GV70 is a welcome addition to the lineup, albeit in the higher price bracket. The GV70 is expected to offer strong reliability and comes with an excellent 5-year warranty package, enhancing its appeal as a family SUV option. Genesis, as Hyundai's upmarket sub-brand, has positioned the GV70 as a competitor to established SUVs like the Audi Q5, BMW X3, and Mercedes GLC, and it successfully holds its own, even surpassing some rivals in various aspects. However, its weight and steering feel contribute to a sense of sportiness, impacting overall agility. Despite this, the GV70 offers a pleasant driving experience and reasonable ride comfort, especially when set in comfort mode.